Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. Thank you for joining us again on M Scholar, a superb channel that promises to bring you content, how to improve your productivity, your research, content about freelancing, how to make money also online, and how to use ChatGPT to make money online. If this is the first time you have visited this channel, I'd like to invite you to please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, share this video with your friends, and I promise you as we go down the line you will soon discover why. And if you are a regular visitor to this channel, thank you very much for visiting us again. Please do well to share this video with your friends. Today I want to discuss with you how as a teacher or as a test developer you can use ChatGPT to enhance your efficiency in terms of quickly generating test questions that are of standard for your national exams or your university students exams or even your high school students exams. To do this is quite very simple, and I will show you how this is done. Now typically, if you are a teacher or a test developer, you would have already have what we call test blueprint. At least the topics that the test is expected to cover will be listed out in your test blueprint. Or even if you do not have the test blueprint, you would have a list of topics where you intend to generate items that will be used for the exam you are dealing with. Now, in my own case right now, I do not have items. What I want to do is that I will ask, I do not have topics. What I want to do is that I will ask ChatGPT to generate topics for me that I will use to teach you what I want to teach you. First, to ask it to generate items for me, I will type in generate for me 10 random topics for secondary school basic electronics. After I've typed this in, I will now ask it to generate the topics. It has generated at random some useful basic electronic topics, and I am seeing that at least some key concepts such as introduction to Ohm's law is involved, introduction to basic circuit components such as diodes and their working applications, as well as capacitors, transistors, and so on, are captured. Now, assuming these topics are fine by me for my test, what I'm now going to do is to ask ChatGPT to, now I will say, generate 10 multiple choice questions, all right, from the above topics. I can say let them have 5 options each, that is A to E. Then I will go ahead to say do not use all of the above, none, so none of the above as options. as options, right? Okay, so let me check if we have all what we need here. Generate 10 multiple choice items, choice questions from the above topics. Let them have 5 options each, A to E. Do not use all of the above, and also none of the above. So let's see how this goes. So I'll run the script. Now you will see that it's going to generate 10 items from each of these topics. It has finished for the first one. Okay, what did I say? Okay, I only asked it to generate 10 items from all of these topics. So since we have 10 topics, it will go ahead and generate about 1 test item each. What you only need to do now is to copy what you have on the screen and paste somewhere, and do a little bit of editing where you will require that, and then see what you can modify, so it helps you to be fast. Now in the case whereby you already have your topics, what you just do is type what you have, the prompt that I used earlier. Let's say this. So I will now say generate let's say 20 multiple item from these topics. Okay, and here are the topics. So assuming that you have your topics typed out somewhere and you copy them and bring them into your query like so, then you hit enter. The system will go ahead and generate for you 20 test items, most likely 2 each from the topics that we have selected. And you see how it's generating. And it's pouring. Now in case it stops, you only need to type in continue and hit your enter key. It will continue. See, number 16 continues, and then it will generate your item. Beautiful 20 items. Alright? Okay, so this is how you generate test items as a teacher or as a test developer. So what would you now do? Just you highlight by copying and then get a plain okay, I said you should not use all of the above, so one of those questions may have to be altered. So let's say you come over to a space like this one, and then you paste the contents that you brought in. Alright, see your questions. Some of the times when you copy and paste, let's just say Ctrl D, so that we'll have the numbering inclusive. Go back to ChatGPT and copy from item number 16 to item number 20. Then you return back to what you have earlier and then paste your items. So you have 20 items. Alright? You only need to streamline them here, just so that you do not have, you only need to streamline them, and then within a few minutes you already have 20 items. You may of course need to just go through, read them once again to ensure that they meet your requirements, and voila, you already have 20 items. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know that you uh, got value from this content, which I believe you did, and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button of this channel and also the notification button, just so that when I release content the next time, which I do every 2 days, you will be the first to be notified. Next, I want to tell you that in the description of this video, I have included the link to the book I wrote that will show you how you can set up your account on a platform called Upwork, where you can monetize your skills like this, where you can meet clients that want you to help them generate items for their students or for their exams, and then you will get paid per hour in dollars. The book is just 1,500 naira if you are in Nigeria, or just $3 wherever you are. So please hurry to the description of this video, click on the link and buy the book. If you have any thoughts, any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.